Hey there, HR managers. Are you looking to boost employee health and create a thriving workplace? Well, let me introduce you to Health Fairs Direct and our incredible wellness workshops. Since 1997, Health Fairs Direct has been a leader in corporate health and wellness programs. We know that healthier employees lead to a more productive and energized workforce. Our workshops are designed to educate, motivate, and empower your team. From stress management and nutrition to physical fitness and mental health, we've got it all covered. Imagine this, your employees learning valuable insights and practical tips to enhance their well-being, feeling less stressed, eating healthier, and staying more active. That's the power of our workshops. We offer both on-site and virtual workshops, so whether your company is large or small, we've got you covered. Each workshop is interactive and customized to address your employees' specific needs and interests. Let's talk about some of our popular workshops. First up, stress management. Did you know that chronic stress can drastically affect productivity? Our experts teach your employees how to manage stress effectively, leading to a happier and healthier workplace. Next, we have nutrition workshops. Good nutrition is essential for overall health. Our sessions provide practical advice on maintaining a balanced diet, which can help improve energy levels and concentration. Physical fitness is another key area. Our fitness workshops get your employees moving, promoting regular exercise to boost their physical and mental health. And let's not forget about mental health. Our workshops address mental well-being, helping employees cope with anxiety, depression, and other issues. This focus on mental health creates a supportive and caring work environment. But don't just take my word for it. Companies that invest in employee wellness see reduced absenteeism, increased productivity, and improved morale. It's a win-win for everyone. Health Fairs Direct has the experience and expertise to make a real difference. We've been shaping the wellness industry for nearly 3 decades, conducting over 600 events annually across 42 states. So, what are you waiting for? Invest in your greatest asset, your employees. Let Health Fairs Direct help you create a healthier, more productive workplace with our wellness workshops. Visit our website today to learn more and schedule your first workshop. Your employees will thank you, and your company will thrive. Health Fairs Direct, empowering employees to take charge of their well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other HR professionals. Until next time, stay healthy and stay motivated.